who are new to my channel, welcome. I am a reseller that has a closet
on Poshmark. I love all things thrifted, vintage, pre-loved, you name it. I love it.
To my Catwalkers, welcome back to a new video this Sunday. You guys, I have some thrifted things that I want to show you, and it's going to get us into what we're going to talk about this week. I always have notes. I always have my pointer with me ready to go. We're going to get into something that I think and relate to everyone with a love for luxury, expensive, nice things. I'm going to give you some tips on how to look luxe on a thrift budget. I'm going to show you some things, and it's going to correlate as we talk. I'm not going to hold off. I'm just going to incorporate as I show, so I'm going to tell. So show and tell. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to start with my list of these items, and it's just a couple things. If you are wanting to look expensive, put together, really nice, pay attention to color. Color is incorporated across the board, whether it's shoes, whether it's a coat, whether it's a handbag. Colors set the bar in terms of something looking very expensive or something looking, you know the word, and I'm just gonna say it, looking a little cheap. And we want to avoid looking cheap or looking inexpensive. Wear timeless colors. So timeless colors, we know. Those include your blacks, those includes white, that includes beige, that includes grays. Anything that is more on the muted side is what you want to aim for. It's almost like monochromatic, if you will, but not necessarily, because you can always punch those colors with a pop of color. Red, if you'd like. Stick to the basic. And I'm going to incorporate it like this. What I'm going to show you guys is a vintage Vaco leather cafe moto jacket. Something that will never go out of style. If you look at the rib cuffs, ribbing around the waist, it has the traditional zip up the front and the clasp at the neck, right? And it has two pockets. But the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because of the color. It is a simplistic, easy color to work within your wardrobe. You compare this with jeans, you compare this with a skirt, you compare this with skinny jeans, you can put boots with this. However you choose, the versatility with it being a black leather jacket, it helps you weave it throughout your wardrobe, and it's something that makes any outfit look expensive. This jacket was not even $8. However, you get my point. It doesn't take a lot. This is all leather. This is super soft. It is like a lamb skin, and it just looks super, super amped because of the fact that you've got these cuff sleeves, and it just makes the jacket look that much more expensive, and it makes your outfit look that much more expensive too. The next thing I want to let you know is detail. And whether it be a jacket, whether it be shoes, scarves, what have you, look at the details. So if you pick up a dress, do the details go all the way around? Is it a situation where you only have a pattern on the front of the dress and then at the back it just stops? You want something that goes all the way around the dress. You want studs on a jacket that go all the way around the jacket, however it may be looking. Pay attention to any breaks in patterns. Breaks in patterns or half sides of things that have grommets and then they don't have grommets at the back, that makes the item look cheap. And I hate saying the word cheap, but you guys, the idea is to find things that look like you spent some money and a little bit of effort, because details matter. It could be a whole lot of things, but the details, you guys, the details. When it comes down to your accessories, take your time with your accessories. If it's earrings that you're looking for, look at those earrings. Do they look like they cost more than they did? You have to pay attention again to details. Accessories are again about details, but accessories A good chunky bracelet will go a long way. A good silver chunky bracelet will go a long way. A good gold chunky necklace will go a long way. A good heavy nice chain link belt will go a long way, because those things amp your outfit and it doesn't cost a fortune to do it. Just pay attention to when you pick up those accessories. Do they look like they were more than what they were, or do they look, you know the word. When you are out and you're searching for things, right, look at all of the items that are coming up, or the trends that are coming up for the different seasons. So you guys know mini bags are a real big thing. Anything that has a chain on it, any small type of bag, but you don't gotta go broke to do it. So let me just show you this bag. You guys know small top handle bags that can be worn crossbody are very, very popular. This bag was thrifted and it is by Lord & Taylor. It is a brown suede. It has this woven gold chain to boot. It is perfect. This is the type of bag you can just grab it and go. And it is on trend. So when you're in the thrift store, pay attention to little things like these, because this is something that all you need is a simple cream colored sweater, and put this on crossbody with a nice pair of boots with a skirt, or boots with a pair of dark colored jeans, however you choose to do it. And here is your accent piece right here. It is a teeny bag. Mini bags are it, like I said before. So pay attention when you're out there and you're looking. Watch for up and coming trends and see what you can do when you get in the thrift store to find it. It's all about looking luxurious on a thrift budget. The next thing I'm gonna say to you guys too follows right along with that, and it sticks into the bag situation too. You guys know quilted bags are really big. All you gotta do is look at Balenciaga and they have that puff clutch. You guys know what I'm talking about. So, and it's also along the lines of anything that is like of a modelage. Do things like this. This bag is not Chanel, but it is all leather and it has a hang tassel. It also is crossbody bag. It has a flap and it's spacious on the inside. You guys, when you see things like this, grab things like this. And it's fine. Not everybody is going to want a Chanel bag. Not everyone is looking to spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 on a bag. When you can go thrift and you can find things like this for a fraction of the cost of what you'd pay, okay, you get my point. This is something that all you need to do, you put it on, and you're ready to go. And it's not complicated. So look for textures when you're out looking for things, especially in accessories and on handbags too. But again, this is what amplifies the bag to the next level, from looking basic to very expensive. Next thing that I want to let you know too, in terms of how to look expensive on a budget, on a thrift budget, is where you are doing your shopping, where you're doing your thrifting, because location matters. Yes, it's possible to find things at locations where they may not be in the most metropolitan of areas, but if you're looking for those pieces that are more on the luxurious side, or you're looking for a place, you're looking for a store where there's a lot more volume and you can pick things a little bit more easy, or find things a little bit more easier, pay attention to where you do it. You do not need a whole lot of money to find some really nice pieces. And just as some side notes, if you're out and you see simple 2-button, 3-button blazers, black blazers, buy those staple pieces. Basic white t-shirts amp up the luxury. If you're out and you see things such as faux fur, or you see vintage fur, capes are another thing. If you're out and you see things like that, pick them up. Those are the pieces that stay in your wardrobe, and they add to the luxuriousness of how an outfit can be pulled together. It doesn't take a whole lot of money to look very well put together and much more luxe than what people would think that you paid for it. That is what I wanted to bring to you today. I wanted to share, because sometimes when I'm out and I'm thrifting, I always have these things all over my mind. You guys, it is so easy to look like $1 million for 100. It's not even funny. So let me know in the comments below, what do you do? How do you luxe on thrift budget? How do you do it? What do you look for? What do you like? Where do you like to go? Do you follow any of the things that I listed here in terms of tips? Do you do something else that could add to these tips for others? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Sunday, so if you do not want to miss out, please tap the bell for notification, and you will know each time that a new video gets posted by me, your girl, her truly, me. And share this video too. Head on over to Poshmark and check out my closet. I will say this, you guys, my closet is on a vacation hiatus until January the 11th, but that does not mean that you can't go over there and look. If there's anything that you see that you would be interested in, you can send me a message. You can even go on over to Instagram and you can DM me there and let me know, hey, there's some things that I saw in your closet that I'd like. They're not gonna go anywhere. My closet is on hold, vacation hold, until the new year, you guys. I am the Catwalks Concrete on IG. So again, if there's anything that you see and you are interested in it, you can send me a DM there and together we can talk about it and work it out so that you can get it before somebody else does. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you guys have a very happy holiday. Enjoy it, and I will see you all next Sunday. Mwah!